Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the error 173 AMD software installer cannot proceed as no AMD graphic hardware has been detected in your system. So usually there is a fail, the AMD failed to detect your graphic card. AMD software installer has detected that current system does not contain AMD graphic hardware and then terminated the installation. Solution: ensure that your AMD graphic product is correctly installed and recognized by the operating system. Refer to the product user manual for installation requirement and procedures. So maybe there is a error with your GPU. Maybe you bought a mining GPU. So for mining GPU, you cannot use the AMD driver. You can try to search the mining driver in trustworthy websites outside the AMD. And also you can check Windows Device Manager for possible conflicts. Problem devices should be indicated with a yellow band. For troubleshooting, refer to Microsoft article error code in Device Manager in Windows. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Subscribe the next button below. See you in the next video.